Welcome back to the best show about Ethereum you can find online. Just kidding. It's not about Ethereum all the time, and it's not the best. But it's useful, and for some of you, life-changing. Welcome back. This is daily chart of Ethereum. We zoomed very much, because we want to see what's happening with the fractals right now. Does it look bullish? Not really. Does it look bearish? It looks like nothing. And this low volatility could be signaling that the big move is coming. This low volatility was giving us this move. Unfortunately, we didn't get what we wanted. We had that pump, but so throwing back very fast that it became a bearish pump. This kind of price action, this is in essence a bull trap, because many hyped seeing this candle. But then not we just negated this candle, we gone lower. So this is not a bullish price action. It's not that Ethereum can't surprise us. Of course it can. That's what crypto do. And go higher. But seeing this, I must expect a continuation to the downside. Because maybe this kind of price action is looking, let's say, consolidating all the way from this point, from the 17th of August, but it really isn't consolidating, because there is a very fine line that is dividing the candles from this and this. Do you see now what I'm talking about? The level is 1646, and it's a great divider. In this portion of the market, this level was a support, and from that level we had a big candle. At this portion of the market, it's a resistance. Look at this. Every candle above it, every candle below it. This is a bearish indication. Micro movements in this consolidation. That's why I zoomed into this daily chart to show you this. After this pump, we laddered down to a new level. Now, I would say that 1628 is that level. There you go, 1628. This is our support and is being pushed really heavy by the price of Ethereum. Every day we need to bump into it. That's not good. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But to see the real significance of this line, we need to zoom out into the past to get that old data. This is enough for you to see one important stuff. There it is. Nothing fancy about it, but proven point of support. Here it reacted the way it should be reacting. Quick bounce and the throw up. But now we are just hugging this level, we are just begging it to break to the downside. Hope I'm wrong, but this is not showing me some terrific signs. So why bearish? I want to zoom out even more for more proof. This is good, this is perfect. Let's do like this. Well, in essence, this is it. We broke the uptrend. 1 point, 2 point. Here, with this weak bounce, something bad was coming, and the bait thing came on the 17th of August. So, by default, in technical analysis, now you shouldn't expect an up move much higher than those levels. And to be frank, yes, we could make a pretty hard rebound to those levels of around, I don't know, 1800, 900, even 2000, and still be in a very bad situation according to this line, because this was a support. Now it could be proving us a resistance. So in the short term, as we are analyzing this daily chart, there is not much beautiful stuff to say about Ethereum. I know you don't like hearing this, and you probably already clicked off. But my point is not to get your views from lying, but to give you fact, so that we can sail together to the seas of crypto, right? Since we're hovering around this portion of the chart, let me introduce you by Fibonacci retracement. Again, the same level that we discussed entire video. You're seeing it, right? And you know, if you know anything about Fibonacci, that 61.8 is the majestic line on the chart. The golden zone, the perfect ratio. Look the beautiful touch that it made here. Oh, by the way, we are taking this move from March as our highest point. And we are doing just that we discussed the entire video. We are hovering at that 61.8% retracement. Yeah, 1628. And it's like we need to take off to the moon from this level to continue our journey, but it's so hard for the price to do it. It's like we're glued to that 61.8. If this one breaks, I will have to call for the next level, that is 78.6%. That is standing at 1514. So if we break this level, we are going to 1500. That's a fact according to the perfect rules of nature and the Mr. Fibonacci. Is it probable? Absolutely. Is it possible, probable, whatever you want to call it? Yeah, unfortunately it is. And if you are a subscriber of mine, you know that I will show you the very majestic band at the end for the final conclusion. 21 MA or EMA, MA, you know, moving average band of 21 days. Whatever, you can see what's happening now. Or let's be precise, let's zoom in to show you the grand picture. That's enough. We're below the band. That is just a clear and very precise indication of bearishness. And a few days ago, when we had that pump that we discussed from the beginning of this video, when everybody got excited, this band showed us that we shouldn't get excited, but we did. You and me, probably, right? This was just a bump into a resistance, nothing more than that. And should you take here that bearish stance? No, man. The bearish stance should be taken long ago. Except that this burst to the upside, it's already before it. Yeah, we had some problems even before, and the blue one is above the yellow one. So that means that moving average is above the exponential moving average. That's not a good sign. The good sign is when the yellow is above the blue one. And what do you know? We are having that right now. Let me zoom in, let me show you, let not give you all the FUD and fear, you know. This kind of alignment of moving averages, according to my band, is showing a potential sign of reversal. But that doesn't mean that something like this won't happen. Maybe a new washout to the 1500, and then we continue to the upside. But that's all guessing. The important stuff is not to be a guesser, a predictor. Although I am making bold calls and calling my video predictions, but it's not the way to go. The way to go is for you to take that bearish stance as the band is telling you. We are below it. Yesterday. This is a clear rejection. Maybe in the coming days we will see lower prices of Ethereum and then slowly try to recover and go to new highs. Thank you for watching. Click on the next video after the dinosaur roar.